Chapter 1, Evolution of Computers. In this chapter, we will learn about the history of computer and the development of computers. So let's start the topic. The computer you see today were not like this in the early stages of their development. The first computer device was invented to perform simple calculations only. They were very basic and difficult to operate. Today's computer perform different tasks at the same time, but the very first computer device can't do the various tasks. They can perform only simple calculations like addition and subtraction. Just like the human beings, they also went through major transformation over a long period of time to reach the present form. Like the human beings, computer has also a history. The history of computer can be classified into two parts. First, early calculating machines, and second, modern calculating machines. So start about the early calculating machines. First, abacus. Abacus is the first calculating device. It is made up of wooden frame with several rods having beads. The rods are divided into two parts. The upper part was known as heaven and it had two beads, and the lower part was known as the earth. It had five beads. In this picture, also you can see the different rods and beads, and it divided into two parts. Upper part is smaller and lower part is bigger. Counting on abacus can be done by sliding the beads across the rods. This device can do simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It was developed in China about 3000 years ago, and early merchants used this to keep the record of their trading transactions. The next device is Napier's bones. In 1617, a mathematician John Napier of Scotland invented this Napier's bones. It was made of rods with numbers printed on them. They were used These were multiplication tables written on the strips of wood or bones, and they were used for multiplying, dividing, taking square roots, and cube roots. Next, Pascaline calculator. Pascaline is the first mechanical calculator in the world. It was invented by a French mathematician called Blaise Pascal in 1642. The Pascaline is made up of 8 wheels and gears. These 8 movable wheels called dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction of big numbers. Next, Leibniz calculator. Leibniz calculator is an improved version of the Pascaline. It was invented by a German mathematician, Gottfried Leibniz. This also known as step reckoner. This machine could perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division as well. It has the step cylinder with 9 teeth with varying lengths instead of the wheels used by the Pascaline. It is different from Pascaline. Pascaline have wheels and in this had step cylinder with the 9 teeth. Pascaline can perform addition and subtraction of big numbers only, and Leibniz calculator can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also.